I'll show you how it's done. Shazam!
Hey, how you doing, folks? Welcome back to Underdeveloped, where we cover everything movies and shows. And today we have another episode of SnowFall.
Episode 2.
Episode 1 was pretty good.
Yeah.
The only thing was that, the main characters so far are not that, are not that, I won't say not that interesting, but they're
okay.
Nobody really to really gravitate towards to yet.
Yeah.
At least maybe Franklin may get, more interesting as a character. But a lot of interesting stuff going on though, for sure.
Oh, there is.
A lot of stakes, a lot of interesting, plot points. A lot of things are happening that's eventually going to come together, obviously.
Yeah. Franklin keeps digging himself into deeper and deeper shit.
And that's pretty interesting to watch, so, yeah. Look at him.
Oh, they're talking to this guy too, huh?
Give me a heads up.
Said you don't have a phone.
Of course I have a phone. It's not that I don't have a phone. It's just that I don't like talking business over the phone. You know why?
Someone could be listening.
And then what happens?
You get caught.
And then what?
You go to jail.
No, you go to fucking prison. So I don't want you to call. I want you to do things exactly the way we said they would be done, so you don't have to call.
I'm sorry, what is that?
What?
That noise?
Don't te ver. Strip.
I just want to see you strip.
Because you didn't want to be known. Alejandro, I want to meet your partner. No, Javi, you cannot meet my partner. My partner doesn't want to be met. I said, okay. Alejandro here, he parties. He's legit. He makes me feel safe and warm and fuzzy inside. But then burst you. You show up.
Yeah, he's a look of warm inside.
Nifty and shifty. And nervous.
That's sort of his style.
If I'm shifty, it's because it sounds like there's somebody giving birth back there, and you're trying to get me naked at gunpoint.
So I know you wear no wire in your ass crack. Listen, if it makes you feel any better, you won't strip. And then we're gonna sit here like a bunch of faggots while you explain why you suddenly need to be here to conduct our business. Take off your clothes, everybody.
Okay. What the fuck?
Take it off.
All right? Come on.
Oh, hot.
Turn around. Show me your ass. Show me your fucking ass.
Ooh.
What happened to him?
Homie is bruised up. Oh, yeah, seen him shooting.
Yeah, that's what we yesterday.
So now you're a fucking doctor?
No, he needs one.
Don't worry about it.
Something's really funny about that fucking doctor with his underwear with a gun in his head.
Honestly, this whole scene is kind of funny.
Yeah. Scenes are ridiculous.
Come back.
It's like something out of South Park.
Get out. מה בית חולים? מה בית חולים? מה בית חולים?
מה אתה רוצה לעשות?
שתוק אתה!
מה שתוק?
יהודה.
אח שלי.
דבר איתי, יהודה.
The door was unlocked.
Not a good time, go away. But I got your money. דבר איתי.
Yeah, it's not the time.
אי אפשר לקחת אותו למיון, מה אתה לא מבין?
אתה רוצה שירות לך פה?
I got your money? What? Why, you actually did it?
Screw his money now.
He had no faith in it. So I guess the whole thing was bullshit. He's like, you actually did it? You actually
Oh, you actually did it.
really?
Oh.
Shit right now, so if it's all good, I'll just take a couple keys and go.
Why, you want more?
You know how it work. I do good, I get more opportunity.
Yeah, I guess you call it.
Yeah.
I was a little too optimistic, I guess. I mean, obviously they was gonna make it a challenge for him, but obviously he's gonna give it to him. Mm-hmm. But of course, they're gonna put that obstacle in, typical,
But I'm going to need you to do something for me first.
Of course. What is it?
Strip.
Strip.
Okay. So if you get pulled over, tell them that you
Makes sense.
the chauffeur or something.
Transport the body.
Right? Now, whatever happens, I do not want police in this house. Do you understand? ¿Te filtro no? Bibi. Listo po.
What about the keys? Nah, I'm at the car.
Yeah, right?
You want the coke inside the car with you? I thought you were smarter than this.
Yeah.
Come back after that.
Keys and a body? Ah.
My role's intact. And Franklin, I'm giving you a wondrous responsibility here. The chance to save a life. Don't fuck it up.
You're a hero. Ooh, that's a nice rose. Well, he just said it was rose, but I see the symbol.
I get more than 24 hours this time?
Don't push it. Just out of curiosity, what did you find to take off that?
Nunya. Nunya Watanabe.
Fairy godmother.
Technically, yeah, sure, if we were to phrase it that way.
Don't get yourself killed on that bike, then I'll never see my fucking money.
You pulled it off, baby.
So far, so good.
Sell that cocaine to your community.
Y'all can say hello.
So? Where's Logan?
There was an accident a few days ago. Logan OD'd.
You're telling me Logan's dead?
Well,
Hey, you started the party without me. I'm Reed Thompson. It's nice to meet you, Miss Villanueva.
You're not slick guy.
Who the fuck are you?
He's gringo.
I was a friend of Logan's.
He never mentioned you.
Yeah, I asked to be a silent partner. So obviously, things have changed. I was told to expect Pedro, but from everything I've heard about Pedro, you don't seem like Pedro. So, okay.
We're just gonna be leaving him hanging.
Nice to meet you. Would you care for a drink?
No.
Again, I'm
Say that they don't trust him.
very sorry
Of
about
course
Logan.
not.
I know that.
Yeah.
He's moving fishy.
Are you gonna use Logan's death as an excuse to fuck with me and change the terms of our arrangement?
Yes.
No.
Okay, no.
Are you gonna act like an asshole?
Yes.
Difficult to deal with?
Yes.
Well, no, I hadn't planned on it.
Then you have nothing to be sorry for. Can we get on with this deal?
No. We're not there yet, family. Okay. They didn't leave him hanging again. Yeah, he got his handshake.
Yeah, it's the signs of friendship.
I won't call it friendship yet.
I know. I was being a dick.
Yo, boy, you wasting champagne like that.
I know. That's an example of a man who has too much money.
clear your lip.
It's good to hear. So what now?
You apologize, you beg for my forgiveness, tell me your life story so I believe that you're legit.
Why are you so big on people shaking his hand?
I know, right? But does he have some secret handshake power where he can read people's minds and shit?
Good luck to you.
Some stupid shit like that.
But you don't want to do business with me.
Look, I am a simple, reasonable man. I just want to do business with other simple, reasonable men.
Simple, reasonable man.
Wait, you're a lunatic.
I'm eccentric.
Yeah, I think that's fair.
Okay, so
I'm not a lunatic, I'm eccentric.
you didn't frisk me. You didn't ask me a single question. You stuck a gun in my face and you told me you were going to shoot me unless I stripped naked.
You got me nervous. I didn't know who you are. Besides, it's a lot of product we're talking about.
Okay. So, if you're feeling nervous, what we do is we sit down and we talk things through. Like adults. Which I'd have been happy to do, but what you don't do is put a gun in my face and tell me you're going to shoot me unless I get naked.
I mean, that's how you normally do it. What's your problem?
Yeah. I think he's a virgin. That must be it.
Now, who's a reason?
No, you haven't apologized.
It's got a lot of balls. He has balls of steel.
I know, right?
I still don't trust you.
Where do you get off having these steely balls?
See, I think you still got some of that Louis XIII left. So why don't you pour us both a drink?
Oh my god, he's smashing Louis XIII's?
See if we can't come
There's like $1,000 bottles.
Damn.
Without even going to the club.
together.
Those bottles of crystal.
I'll take my product elsewhere. No hard
God, this
feelings.
guy got too much money.
Cool.
Hey, who you with?
Yep, so that coming.
Are you slow, nigga? This shit seem like jokes to you. Who you with?
Nobody, I'm me.
Yep, saw that coming. They gonna steal his work. I saw that coming. The way they dressed the Crips. They gonna steal his bread. Oh, that means everything will roll up on him next episode. You're gonna regret that. You sure you should have put a hole in him. Tell me you guys gonna regret that. He showed him mercy. You didn't see those guys supplying you in the fucking thing. Like, it was eyeing you, my dog.
Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised once they put them up to it. She walked right over to them immediately after he asked for money.
I even peeped that, yeah. You're right, she could have. Another day. There's a famous a meme right now that's pretty much a parody of this song. You know what that song is?
No.
Never heard of that nigga gay, nigga gay. Nigga gay, nigga gay,
No, actually,
nigga gay. You never.
No, I haven't heard that one.
Really?
No.
It's just basically the song. It's just saying, "There's another day, another day, another day. It's a nigga gay, nigga gay, that nigga gay, that nigga gay, nigga gay, that nigga gay, nigga gay, nigga gay, nigga gay." I'm surprised you laughed at that because it had the word N-word in it.
I just thought the way you were saying it was funny.
I mean, it's literally how the song goes.
Yeah, but that's what makes it funny.
Yeah, I know. That's why it's a funny meme that's popular. That nigga gay. But I think I heard that version of the song first. So when I heard this, I was like, okay, that's the song. Another day. Yep. Frankie got his first lesson in Hard Knocks. I mean, that means he's gonna roll up on him next episode. That's gonna be fun to watch. Mm-hmm. That was also so fun episode 2.
Yeah.
It's cool. It's cool.
Yeah, overall pretty good show still.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's cool.
We're starting to see how everything kind of ties together a bit.
Intertwining.
Yeah, like pretty much everyone had some. I feel like pretty much everyone had like a little bit of time to shine.
Yeah,
For the most part, the Literature didn't really do a whole lot, but he had a whole thing with what's her name. So there's that, I guess.
yeah.
But yeah, this poor Franklin.
Yeah, poor Frank. Well, saw that coming, though, but
Yeah, he really should have.
he should have been more aware of his surroundings.
Yeah,
Relax days with this stuff. He has it just spread it out.
I know. Like the way he just like left his bag to go to his room, with his mom was able to just pick it up and take it. I'm like, bitch,
Yeah.
what's wrong with you? You really didn't think that she would. I'm surprised she didn't look through the bag. To be honest.
Oh yeah, because he's being mad shady with that bag.
Yeah, I'm astonished she didn't open it. Like the fucking random ass girl opened the bag, but not his mom. That's weird.
Yeah. But I think it's time to call it, guys. If you like this episode, let us know in the description. And stay tuned as we watch more of it.